Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you filming me?
I already got you picking your nose.
That's funny. Come on.
Do you see the lights again?
Go, come on.
Alright, it's off. That was cute, you peeked open. There are lights again. Lift up the blanket. Come on, let's see what we have under there. What is it? Don't worry, Cameron, that was just 2 fingers. You don't have anything to say to me?
Got fat ass.
That's it!
I love it.
And
I love your fat ass.
something else.
I love you.
I love you too.
You're recording anytime the camera off.